Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to put your DUOQIN F22 Pro phone in boot mode. And the first thing we're going to do is power off our phone by holding the hang up button. And then we're going to click power off to shut our phone down completely. And once it's shut off, you have to hold the hang up button and the volume up buttons at the same time until the recovery mode menu appears. So there we go, you can select a boot mode menu, and we're going to select recovery mode, and then click on use the volume up button to navigate, and then volume down to select. And then we're going to wait for our phone to reboot again. And once this menu appears, you need to hold the hang up button and the volume button at the same time again. So hold the volume button and then click volume up. And from here you can select bootloader. So you can use these navigation keys to navigate through the menus, and then click the center button to select. So navigate to reboot to bootloader and then click on it. Use the hang up button. And there we go. Now we're in fast boot mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.